Qasem Soleimani's assassination shocked the world and led many to fear it would be the catalyst for a US-Iranian war. While this did not occur, it increased tensions between the two countries, with Iran vowing to assassinate all involved in his death. Qasem Soleimani was the commander of the Iranian Revolutionary Corps and was considered to be the second most powerful man in Iran. He was involved in multiple terrorist attacks, including an attack on the US Embassy in Baghdad. January 3rd, 2020, 12:32 a.m. local time. Soleimani landed at the Baghdad International Airport along with 5 Iraqi nationals, 1 Syrian, and 4 other Iranians. One of them being the commander of the Popular Mobilization Forces and the commander of the Kataib Hezbollah. Multiple US military aircraft were waiting for him, including an MQ-9 Reaper drone. At 12:47, as Soleimani and the others with him pulled out of the airport down the road, in a Toyota Avalon and a Hyundai Starex, the Reaper fired 4 Hellfire missiles, 2 striking the Toyota and 2 striking the Hyundai. Both cars exploded, killing 10 targets, including Soleimani. 7 minutes later, as the drones left, 3 military jets entered the airport's airspace. The airport requested their departure, but only 2 jets left. The remaining jet persisted. There were special operation forces already at Baghdad waiting for him to land, and they followed him once he did. After they strike, they pulled him out of the car to ensure that he was in fact in it. It was confirmed. Qasem Soleimani, a terrorist who had killed many people, who ordered many attacks on America and innocent people, was dead. Later that day, President Donald Trump, who authorized the attack, held a press conference at his Mar-a-Lago estate, telling the press that America had saved many lives by removing a well-known terrorist from the equation. We will provide footage of his press meeting at the end of this video. The next day, Iran held a massive funeral service for him, covering multiple cities. Attendees to the funeral were filmed chanting, "Death to America." Iran then launched Operation Martyr Soleimani, in which they attacked 2 US bases with missiles. One of them was the Ain al-Assad Iraqi base. No fatalities were reported, but 110 US soldiers suffered traumatic brain injuries. We will provide footage of this attack at the end of this video. Soleimani's assassination is still a high tension point between Iran and the US today. With America close to signing the nuclear deal with Iran, Republicans threatening to throw out the deal, Iran getting closer to Russia, China, and to completing a nuclear missile, and with Iranian proxies attacking US bases in the Middle East, the world holds its breath. What will happen next? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to see more videos. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, and good afternoon. As President, my highest and most solemn duty is the defense of our nation and its citizens. Last night, at my direction, the United States military successfully executed a flawless precision strike that killed the #1 terrorist anywhere in the world, Qasem Soleimani. Soleimani was plotting imminent and sinister attacks on American diplomats and military personnel, but we caught him in the act and terminated him. Under my leadership, America's policy is unambiguous to terrorists who harm or intend to harm any American. We will find you. We will eliminate you. We will always protect our diplomats, service members, all Americans, and our allies. For years, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps and its ruthless Quds Force, under Soleimani's leadership, has targeted, injured, and murdered hundreds of American civilians and servicemen. The recent attacks on U.S. targets in Iraq, including rocket strikes that killed an American and injured 4 American servicemen very badly, as well as a violent assault on our embassy in Baghdad, were carried out at the direction of Soleimani. Soleimani made the death of innocent people his sick passion, contributing to terrorist plots as far away as New Delhi and London. Today we remember and honor the victims of Soleimani's many atrocities, and we take comfort in knowing that his reign of terror is over. Soleimani has been perpetrating acts of terror to destabilize the Middle East for the last 20 years. What the United States did yesterday should have been done long ago. A lot of lives would have been saved. Just recently, Soleimani led the brutal repression of protesters in Iran, where more than 1,000 innocent civilians were tortured and killed by their own government. We took action last night to stop a war. We did not take action to start a war. I have deep respect for the Iranian people. They are a remarkable people with an incredible heritage and unlimited potential. We do not seek regime change. However, the Iranian regime's aggression in the region, including the use of proxy fighters to destabilize its neighbors, must end, and it must end now. The future belongs to the people of Iran, those who seek peaceful coexistence and cooperation, not the terrorist warlords who plunder their nation to finance bloodshed abroad. The United States has the best military by far anywhere in the world. We have the best intelligence in the world. If Americans anywhere are threatened, we have all of those targets already fully identified, and I am ready and prepared to take whatever action is necessary. And that in particular refers to Iran. Under my leadership, we have destroyed the ISIS territorial caliphate. And recently, American Special Operations Forces killed the terrorist leader known as al-Baghdadi. The world is a safer place without these monsters. America will always pursue the interests of good people, great souls, while seeking peace, harmony, and friendship with all of the nations of the world. Thank you. God bless you. God bless our great military, and God bless the United States of America. Thank you very much. Thank you.